How to use Pythagora AI 2.0. So first thing you want to do is install the VS Code extension. So find and install the Pythagora extension from the VS Code Marketplace or by searching within VS Code. Then you need to sign up for a Pythagora account either with your Google account or by creating a new one. Then take some time to explore the dashboard and features within VS Code. Then you need to make sure you describe your app idea. So clearly describe your app's functionality, features, and any specific requirements in natural language within the Pythagora interface, and you can also start with a pre-built example project or import an existing one. Then, Pythagora handles the entire development process, including the planning, the coding, which is the front end in React, back end in Node.js, and then the testing, debugging, and deployment. Then, after the AI generates the code, thoroughly review it and provide feedback to refine the AI's future outputs. Simply just have Pythagora automate testing and provide one-click deployment to AWS, or you can export the code for use outside the platform. And then you might want to have Pythagora offer reporting tools to monitor your application's performance and identify areas for improvement. Then use the feedback loop to continuously refine your application based on user data and performance metrics.